How to block someone on YouTube. This tutorial shows you how to prevent a specific person from interacting with your channel on your Android device. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. After that, find the comment or video from the person you want to block. From there, tap on their channel name or profile icon to open their channel page. At this point, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of their channel page to open the options menu. In the next step, tap on Block User from the list of options. Following this, a confirmation prompt will appear explaining what blocking does. Once done, tap on Block to confirm your decision. From here, the blocked user will no longer be able to comment on your videos, reply to your comments, or interact with your channel in any way. Finally, go back to your channel and you'll notice that their comments will no longer be visible on any of your videos. Keep in mind that blocking someone on YouTube does not prevent them from watching your videos if your channel is public. It only stops them from interacting with you directly. And that's it. If this YouTube guide helped you block an unwanted user on your channel, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.